Don't you hate it when your coffee maker breaks mid-flight? You will be serving on the half capacity during the whole day until the maintenance can address the issue. The Almost Mobile suite with Almost Mobile Exec, Almost ETL and Almost Mobile Stores enables more efficient processes, so problems can be addressed more quickly.
Sorry sir, almost there.
No worries. Like me, Almost is everywhere. During the flight, the cabin crew enters the item in Almost ETL. After synchronization, the entry can be seen by everyone involved: cabin crew, cockpit crew and maintenance control.
No coffee, no flight.
Okay. The MCC controller creates a task in Almost LMM that the dispatcher sees directly. Now the dispatcher checks in Almost LMM who is available and has the necessary skills for the item. Then he assigns the task to the engineer. The Almost Mobile Stores app shows in real time which parts are available. Meanwhile, line maintenance is made aware of the task. In this case, it's George. He gets notified on his phone and then he confirms and starts the task in Almost Mobile Exec. Since it's time critical, he creates a pick slip and the warehouse delivers a replacement coffee maker directly to the aircraft. Meanwhile, the dispatcher sees in Almost LMM that the aircraft engineer started the task. Almost connects maintenance, engineering and logistics in one platform, keeping everyone informed wherever work happens. The engineer releases the aircraft in Almost ETL and finishes the task in Almost Mobile Exec. The release is now visible in Almost ETL and the aircraft can be accepted. And the dispatcher sees that the task has been completed.
Sir, your coffee.
Oh, thank you very much.